Hi guys, it's been few days that I put up any recipe. So today I thought let us do some very easy recipe and with very less oil. Since it's lockdown, you can't digest much of the calories. So let me begin with a samosa quesadilla with tamarind salsa. It sounds very exotic, but see how easy it is to make and so easy for the stomach to digest. So here I have 2 cups of atta. I'll put 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 small teaspoon of ajwain, handful of dhania chopped, some oil, and I'll knead it into a dough. So this is how the dough would look like as for chapati, and let it rest for 15 minutes. For making the filling, I will heat some oil in the pan. I have to fill my quesadillas with this very novel filling. Put some jeera to crackle, hing, curry patta, I'll put some chopped capsicum, some beans, boiled rajma, 1 cup of boiled rajma, some mashed potatoes. I have 3 potatoes in the bowl. I will crush them by hand one by one. So I'll roast the masala for some time. Since it is a samosa quesadilla, we need some tikha masala for this. I'll be adding a teaspoon of ginger chili paste, some green chilies, some coriander, haldi, mirchi, dhania, and salt. A good amount of chaat masala, So according to your taste, if you want to make the masala tikha, you can add some chili flakes, some more of amchur powder, and for the binding, put a good quantity of cheese. And I will keep this masala to cool for some time. So for making tamarind or imli salsa, this is a handful of imli with some sugar. I have boiled it, and today I have put some jaggery sugar in it, which is easily available in the organic shops. To make the salsa, I will need half a teaspoon of roasted jeera, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of jeera powder. This is black salt. Here's some onion for the salsa, and here are finely chopped tomatoes and some mint and some coriander leaves. I will put this salsa in the fridge to cool. See how lovely. So I'll roll out some chapatis of this dough, and then I will make quesadillas out of it. So two equal sized balls. So this is how you roll out the chapatis for the quesadillas. So we roast the rotis kachi pakki on the tawa. This is how my quesadilla rotis look like when they are done kachi pakki on the tawa. Now I'll put the filling on one of the chapatis. I'll put this maida paste on the side. So that they stick to each other. Now I will roast it again on the tawa. Since they were half done, I will try to make them as crisp as a samosa. So this is how finally when the quesadilla is roasted for a long time, it looks like this. So it has all the goodness of a cheese, rajma, potato, mint, coriander, adrak, mirchi. So this is how my samosa quesadillas with tamarind salsa looks like. So bye bye, hope you try it and make it and eat it.